Assalamualaikum. Welcome to English class. Myself Reshma Sultana, teacher of United Public School, Tandur. In this session, I am going to teach you about poster. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of poster. Poster means it is a awareness to the general public. Already I taught you in the last classes. In the last classes, in this video also I am going to teach you about poster. See, first of all, what are the important things to write the poster? The poster should be attractive. Okay, see here, first of all you should write title in the poster. First you should write title, what has given in the question. According to that, you have to write the main title on the top of the poster. Okay, after that you have to highlight the points, which is the main thing that you have to write here. Okay, in the highlighting points you should write slogan according to the question, what has given in the question. Okay, you should write 2 or 3 points. Please don't write so lengthy, it should be 50 words only. Okay, please don't write more than 50 words. See here, you should write like this. For this you have to write 3 or 4 points, okay, which are main for the poster. Okay, after that you should write issuing authority, who is issuing the poster, their name. You have to write the issuing authority. After that you have to write the symbols. For what purpose we are writing symbols? For more, the poster should look more attractive so to the public. For that purpose we can draw the symbols in the poster. Okay, after that, if there is an event in the question, first of all you should read the question carefully. If there is any event in the question, you should write the time, date, venue. Okay, if there is no event not given in the question, please don't write that. So first of all you should read the question carefully. If there is an event, you have to write time, date, venue. If there is not given in the question, if there is no event, please don't write this. Okay, so first of all you should read the question carefully. Once again I will teach you. See here, first you should write title, what is the topic had given that. After that you have to highlight the points which are main. You should highlight the points. You have to write the slogans, okay, in 3 or 4 letter sentence, but please don't write extra, please don't do extra work here. After that you have to write issuing authority, who is issuing the authority. If already given it will give already in the question, but you have to see and write the issuing authority name. After that you have to write you have to draw the symbols according to the question. If there is given in the, if they are given for Deepavali the poster, you have to draw this symbol. This is a water symbol, this is the health symbol. So you have to draw the symbol according to the question. Okay, after that you have to write the event. If there is a event given in the question, you have to write. If there is no event, please don't write this time, date, venue. Okay, now I will explain you with one example. See here, what has given in the question. Draw a poster in about 50 words highlighting dowry as a curse. For what purpose we are writing here poster? Drawing the dowry is a curse. Okay, you should know what is the dowry. You are Vikram or Sonia. Imagine that you are Vikram or Sonia, whatever you want to. You have to draw a poster. For this dowry is as a curse. Okay, so first what we have to do here, we have to write the title now. What is the main title here? Dowry is a curse. This is the main title. We have written here dowry is a curse. Okay, after that we have to highlight the point. You have to write with different colors also, because for more attractive we can use different colors. Okay, after that we have to highlight the points. Here we wrote now here, say no to dowry. This is the slogan. Please you have to write the slogans also if you know. Okay, please write this in the bold letters. Dowry is a curse. This is the title, and this is a say no to dowry. This is the slogan. Okay. After that, highlight points. We have to write the highlight points. So for that, I used here colors, different colors. I used here different colors. You can also use for looking more attractive. You can draw with any color also. Okay. Dowry is an offense. I wrote here. This is looking more attractive now, so you can also do that. After that, I told you should write 2 to 3 points here. I wrote here demanding, giving and taking. Most of the people are giving dowry to others and taking from others. So this is an offense now. So that's why I wrote here against humanity. This is also against humanity. These 3 points I wrote you for your understanding. After that, what I told you, issuing authority name. I wrote here issued in the public interest by Vikram or Sonia. If you are male, you have to write Vikram. Or you are female, you should write Sonia here. Okay. In this, for this here, there is no time, date, venue. Okay. Not as given in the question. There is not a event now. So that's why you don't write event here, time, date, venue. There is no event given in the question. Please don't write this. After that, you have to write the symbol. For here symbol, if you don't know what is the symbol, which symbol you have to draw, you should draw like this. I draw here now. You can also do this. Okay. I wrote in here. See here. Real men don't take dowry. Any you know whatever you want to write, you can write. But I wrote here for your understanding. Real men don't take dowry. Here also I wrote dowry is illegal, which I know I wrote here. You can write with your own also. Okay. Here for more attraction I did this. You can also did with your own. See here I wrote time, date, venue. Why I wrote here? If there is a question in the time, date, venue has given, then you can write here. In this question there is no event. Please don't write. For example, for your understanding, I wrote this. This is not important in this question. Okay. Time, date, venue is not important in this question. For in any question, if there is a given, you should write. Okay. This is not important in this question. After that, you have to draw a box. You have to draw a box for this poster for looking more attractive. Okay. This is the poster. You have to write like this. Okay. Now I am giving an assignment. You should do with your own. See here what is given here. As president of Lions Club of Tandur. Here given Lions Club of Tandur, design a poster is not more than 50 words. I told you please don't write up more than 50 words. For promoting good health. For what purpose they are giving good health? Through health media. To be held at Central Community Hall of the city. Mention some of the attractions. Here what is given? What is the main title for this question? Main title is here in this question dowry is a curse. But in this question, what is the main heading? Main title here, good health for all. No. After that, we have to write a slogan. If there is related to health, what should we write? You should write any slogan like health is wealth. That's like. Okay. After that, you have to highlight the points. After that, you have to write the issuing authority. What is the issuing authority? Interest by Public Lions Club of Tandur. I told you here now. See here in the first line, as president of Lions Club of Tandur. Lions Club of Tandur is the issuing authority. And in this question, there is a event. There is a event to be go. There is a event to be held. Okay. So you have to write the time, date, venue in this question. Please don't write. If there is a event, you can write time, date, venue. If there is no event, only given as write to about dowry like that, you have to write. But if there is any event to be happen, you have to write the time, date, venue. Okay. And you should make a box for this poster, and it should be more attractive. Okay. Please Do it well. I will send you the assignment. Please don't copy from others. Okay. Thank you. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.